the hum of machinery, the spark of innovation, the satisfaction of a perfect product leaving the line. In manufacturing, the difference between efficient and exceptional comes down to the smallest details. These outcomes are often left to chance or buried under endless data and disconnected systems. But what if we could build a system that knows the manufacturing world and knows your operations? Your team can describe their production goals, and it builds a plan tailored to them. A personal AI co-pilot that's always learning, refining, and remembering. But how would we build this manufacturing intelligence? Picture the internet like a giant library. The information desk is the web index, with the location and description of billions of books and pages. Its knowledge is broad and built for human search, but shallow. It can answer basic questions, but can't have a complex conversation. Web indexes pull indiscriminately from all sources and respond superficially. Without real-time access to changing information, answers may be out of date, inaccurate, or recommend a competitor. But deeper inside the library are specialized rooms with expert librarians. This is an industry-specific index for manufacturing. This looks at a smaller number of books and pages, but has a deep understanding of each one, ready to have complex conversations about live inventory, production schedules, equipment status, and more. An industry-specific index is customizable, allowing us to include or exclude specific data sources, keeping everything accurate and trustworthy. Purpose-built for LLMs, it grows smarter with every search and more valuable with every production run. While building a moat that competitors and custom manufacturing apps cannot cross, this is more than analytics. It's the foundation for a new era of productivity and growth. A gateway to the $230 billion global manufacturing market, capturing opportunities before and after while creating any production plan you can imagine. The winning manufacturing brand will be the one that acts first, and it won't be easy. It requires a rare combination of technical expertise and AI search infrastructure. Plus, the only AI technology partner with the knowledge and experience to make their vision a reality. A pioneering team led by some of the world's most revered AI researchers. Together, winning manufacturing brands and You.com will build a bright future and deliver on the promise, transforming efficient operations into exceptional ones.